Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way, alright? And if you know a juice recipe or something you want me cook up or bake up or mix up, just leave it in the comment section, alright? I love upon me and I love upon you. Let's get into this video. Look at these, all healthy goodies. Good fruits and veggie for you. I have honey, celery, apple, ginger, and lemon. We're gonna do some weight loss juice remedy, all right? Before my peeps, I was 236 and I went down to 194 and then I put on a few pounds back, but I'm gonna show you how to take off over 30 pounds, all right? And this also is one of the juice. So I'm gonna come to you with few healthy juice, what you can do to detox your body, build your immune system, help with weight loss. So we're just gonna throw everything in the blender. We're gonna throw some apple. Oh boy, I think I should cut them up smaller, but anyhow, let's see. So we're gonna blend up some apple first and some celery, some ginger, that's good. And I'm just going to squeeze half of lemon juice. You can put the whole one. Maybe I'll put the other half after. Let's see how it tastes first. I have 4 cups of water here. That's just right. Okay, all of it. And that's it. We're gonna blend up this bad boy. All right. All right, we're gonna strain it. Let's strain this. And you just want to use a spoon and do it like this. All right. So my peeps, I lost this part of clip, but anyhow, just go ahead and add some honey for taste, and this is amazing. Good for weight loss, gonna clean and build your immune system.